Hi, this is Carrie with Glitzy Glam, and I have an exciting video for you. Now, I did get this idea from a YouTuber, 50 and beyond, and so I have to give her credit for this idea. I'm just going to show you a different take on it, and that excites me because I do have a diva party coming up. Now, don't get me wrong, I have the store-bought ones. They're also very great, and if you aren't crafty, you know, it's okay. But this is really easy, and if you want to have one on every table and don't want to spend $30 per, then this is a great option. So this is what I've done, and I love it, and I'm really excited about it. Now, what I did was I took two Dollar Tree, or you can find them at the 99-cent store. They're just the waste baskets. I bought two of the black ones because I only needed two. I only wanted to make two of these dress forms, so I bought four of these waste baskets, but it takes two per. That's 99 cents each, or $1 each. And then I connected them upside down with zip ties. I just connected them with zip ties, tied this cute little bow around the waist, really cute, and I molded this just with my hand. I just squeezed it in to make it look more like a waist, dipped this down in the front and squished it together and molded this. I just molded it with my hands to make it like a bust form. And then this here is some stuff I found at the 99-cent store, and I just sewed it in around the edge, and I'll show you what it looks like. See, it's a long strand of pearls, and I just went into each hole and went all the way around the edge, and I'll show you the finishing product here. This is the finishing product. See how I weaved it around each hole? Then here, these are some loose pearls that I bought. Some real big ones, and I just added those in. See if you can see it real good. And I just hot glued those in to embellish the V neck a little more. Alright, so that is how I made this. Now, you can sit it on a table just like that, but I wanted it to have a little bit of height, and then once I put it on the table, I'll know whether I want it sitting up high or if I want it sitting just on the table like that. I haven't put it on the table yet, so I don't know. But if you want it to have a little height, these are candlesticks that I just hot glued together, and then I put a tea saucer on the top. And in this case, I am gonna spray paint the plate black so that it can sit on the table like this. And then it just has a little bit of height to it. Not a lot, but it's just sitting up off of the table a couple of inches. Now, what you could do if you want it even higher, what you can do is use one of these charger plates, paint it black. It sits perfectly on this little charger. Now, you could hot glue it onto the charger if you want. and then glue it onto the candlestick. Sorry, I don't have a lot of space to show you. Then it can really sit up high. And let me see if I can move it over here. And then it'll be really up high on a pedestal. All right. So that is what I am doing right now. So it just depends on how high you want it to sit, and you can embellish it with lace, or you can embellish it with pearl beads. You can paint it hot pink. There are a lot of different ideas that you can use with this. If you just want one in your daughter to decorate your daughter's room, and it's a great idea. And thank you 50 and Beyond for that video, because I love it. And if you liked my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really love that. And I have one more thing I want to show you, only because I already did the video of how, but I did it with a fall theme. Now I want to show you my Glitzy Glam Boutique theme wreaths. Now, I did have some flowers already decorating the outside of my burglar bars, and I just reused them because, to be honest, I used them for a full year. Even though I really didn't like them, I thought they looked like something that you would put up at a funeral just by the way they were shaped. Which I didn't realize until I drove by. So I didn't really like it. They were pretty. They just reminded me of a funeral home spray. And so I've recycled the flowers into these wreaths. I want to show you. I even reused the bows. I think they're gorgeous. Same flowers, and I did add these green leaves. I did it the same way as I did the fall. I put the green leaves, vines first, hot glued them down, and then I hot glued groupings of flowers in threes, and then came back and added in flowers where I thought it needed some extra flowers. So I think it turned out beautiful, and once I'm done using the fall, I guess once fall and is over, I'll put these back up, because technically they can be used all year round except for Christmas, and even Christmas, I think, because this is just my colors. You could just put a Christmas. I think just putting a different seasonal sign on this one will make it go all year round, and then maybe put some little Christmas pics in there. I think this one is one I can use all year round, no matter what the season is, because it's kind of boutique looking. And I did use all Dollar Tree materials. The only thing that may not be Dollar Tree is the hot glue, and that's it. Anyway, I hope you like it and feel inspired. Thumbs up, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.